warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well with the grace of Almighty Allah. So welcome to Heather Tech. So now we have so many videos. Now we started a new video series for English grammar. So please also you can also watch the English grammar video as well. So what we are going to do today. Topic of today we are going to discuss. But the last time I was a little bit people face little bit inconvenience because of the keyboard. The key was not working in a proper way. Sometimes I was pressing X key, W key, E key, but I was keep pressing, but actually it was not going to be right on the screen. So what I did in this video, so I'm going to add the external keyboard. So I hope so without any inconvenience we can finish today activity. So let's start our activity of today. So topic of today is how to take the backup of Cisco router. So this is today's topic and very important topic. Those who are working in a production network, so they know how to take the backup. So suppose if you are searching some job and you find a network related some sort of job, so you need to take the backup is very important. Okay, so we have two type of configuration in the Cisco router. In the normal router we have two type of configuration, like running configuration and startup configuration. So the running configuration we can discuss. It always in the RAM. Same like mean you are writing you are going to write something in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you will not save it, what will happen? If your system will shut down or restart, what will happen? Definitely your work will be lost. So how you can save? If you will save those files in the hard disk, so later on you can see, you can reopen your work and you can restart from the same point. So that is called the NVRAM. NVRAM is a permanent one. So this permanent, it will save in the routers NVRAM. This startup configuration is saved permanently, okay, in the router NVRAM. But running configuration, it always in a RAM. Okay, so if you will not save, your your configuration will be lost. It means you need to redo all the work. So always you have to save the file. Okay, you always save your running configuration in NVRAM. Okay, how you can save it, even in the next coming video I will explain how you can save it. So today topic, now I will take the running configuration and startup configuration backup. Okay, how we will take it in the TFTP server. So what we need to do, so we need to add the TFTP server. Go to the server here. Okay, so I will add somewhere here. Okay, no problem, I will add it here. Okay, so let me organize a little bit. So I'm going to add the TFTP server here. So I will take this one, add with F03. We need to add the IP address. Okay, so go to the desktop, go to the here, and I will assign 192.168.1.15. Okay, so this is, sorry, and now IP address 192.168.1.15. Okay, so this is the IP address, and subnet mask default gateway is 1.1. Okay, so DNS I don't care about this one. So this is my IP address. Again, I'm going to write it here. So please, when you will take the startup configuration or running configuration, you need to write this IP here. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to check the connectivity. So always check the connectivity from here to here. Okay, so if it is working, you can see here, yeah, it is successful. So it means it is working fine. So now what you need to do, go to the router. Okay, and let me make it a bit more clear. So you can see here, show run. So how to take the, how you can see the running configuration. If you write show running config, so this is your running configuration of your router. You can see this is all your running configuration. Whatever you, without saving, it will be in your RAM. Okay, so now you need to take the backup of your running configuration. So how to take the backup of your running configuration? Just write copy, okay, running config, where? To TFTP. So you need to take the copy of running configuration to TFTP server. So what is the TFTP server here? So this is your TFTP server 192.168.1.15. Okay. So you what the destination file name? So you want to give a different name or the same name? So it's up to you. So I will write header tag, HAIDER header tag. Okay. So this name I want to give to this running configuration. The name of the file will be header tag. Okay. So now after that enter, so it will take some little bit time. You can see now 63 byte. Now this running configuration has been saved in your TFTP server. If you want to verify, you can come to the server, go to the services. Just let me organize a little bit. Go to the services, and here TFTP. Okay, you can see here the very first one, header tag. So it is saved in your TFTP server. Okay, now this is the running configuration. So how you can take the startup configuration? As I told you, the startup configuration is your saved one, mean which you already saved it. So it is saved in your hard disk, like same like the hard disk, NVRAM. Okay, in router we call NVRAM. So okay, so So now you need to take the backup of your startup configuration. So how you can take the backup of your startup configuration? Just write copy startup configuration, startup configuration, where you are going to take the backup. So startup configuration backup is this one. Okay, now this is the IP address. You need to type the IP address 1.15. So now again we are going to type our destination file name. So it's up to you. You can give any name. So I will give like testing test. Okay, test, or we can say we can give test. Okay, test. So just enter. You can see now it has been copied. So you can just verify. Just click it on the server. Go to the TFTP, and you will find it here. This is header tag. We already checked, and here will be the test. You can see here. This is the test. Okay, this is your startup configuration. So I hope you like the video, and please like and subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching.